Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves to embark on a journey of discovery as we unveil the hidden strategies behind achieving YouTube success. I'm Dwayne, your guide from Tube Money, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for a constant stream of exciting content. If you have any questions or thoughts to share, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I value your questions, thoughts, and input. Today, I'm thrilled to be your host as we delve deep into the world of Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 course. Whether you're an aspiring YouTube newcomer or a seasoned content creator, this comprehensive course is designed to be your roadmap to kickstart your YouTube adventure. One of the standout features of this course is the exclusive access it provides to a private Facebook group. Within this community, you'll find valuable support and networking opportunities that can help you start earning money sooner. By tapping into Matt Parr's expert tips and the vast potential of YouTube, you'll have the chance to unlock doors you might not have even known existed. Matt Parr, a name famous for YouTube success, brings to the table impressive results of managing 12 or more profitable YouTube channels. His knowledge and experience are at the heart of this course. The program is thoughtfully divided into 7 modules, each designed to take you from the fundamentals to advanced content creation. Furthermore, this program fosters connections with like-minded creators, ensuring you receive valued support through the private Facebook group. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits that await you in this program. First, the introduction. This section sets the stage, providing a clear understanding of what to expect from the course. It's your gateway to unlocking the secrets of YouTube success. Next, exclusive access to Matt's private Facebook group. This is where the magic truly happens. Within this close-knit community, you can connect with fellow students, collaborate, and gain those invaluable networking opportunities that can change the trajectory of your YouTube journey. Matt's personal insights. Matt Parr shares his personal journey, his influences, and his insights. This isn't just a course, it's a motivational journey, igniting your passion and inspiring you to embark on your very own YouTube adventure. Back to the fundamentals. The cornerstone of your success lies in understanding your audience and selecting a niche that genuinely inspires you. This module takes you back to the basics and ensures you build a strong foundation. Find high CPM niches. Ready to boost your earning potential? This module guides you through strategic niche selection to maximize your profits. It's about making smart choices that can amplify your YouTube success. Advanced video creation. Learn how to set up your channel like a pro, employ efficient video creation techniques, maximize viewer engagement, and uncover Matt's secret keyword research technique as you progress. The art of video creation is at your fingertips. Everything you need to know about monetization. Monetizing your YouTube channel becomes a breeze with this module, which explores alternative methods beyond traditional advertising. It's about diversifying your income streams and maximizing your revenue potential. Now it's time to scale up. Thinking of managing multiple channels? No problem. You'll discover tried and true methods for expanding your empire and optimizing each channel for maximum profitability. The sky's the limit, and here's the icing on the cake. With a limited time 50% discount and a full refund option within 60 days, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So before I wrap this up, I wanted to remind you to kindly share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below, and feel free to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly endorse Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 training course. This comprehensive program equips you not only to launch your own channel, but also to nurture its growth, achieve monetization, and ultimately maximize your income potential. If you're itching to delve deeper into this world of possibilities, I invite you to simply tap the link in the description. This link will grant you access to Matt's insightful live seminar, How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, and the best part, it's absolutely free. This no-cost event will provide you with extra insights, empowering you to confidently make an informed decision. Don't let this incredible opportunity slip through your fingers. Unleash your YouTube potential with Matt Parr's guidance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.